Hello. I'm Tera Liner, a licensed and experienced realtor with CHT Group, a leading real estate company in Southeast Louisiana. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to refresh your knowledge on the home buying process, this video is for you. Join me as I guide you through the step-by-step journey of homeownership. Step 1. Pre-approval. The first and most important step is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you a clear understanding of your budget and the type of loan that suits your needs. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a 20% down payment to buy a house. There are options available, such as FHA loans with 3.5% down payment or even zero down payment programs. Additionally, down payment assistance programs may be available to you. Step 2. Home search. Once you're pre-approved, I'll set up a personalized home search for you based on your criteria, such as price range and desired location. You'll receive email notifications with listings that match your preferences, making it easier than ever to find your dream home. Step 3. House showings. When you find a home that catches your interest, we'll schedule a showing. I'll be there to provide valuable insights and guidance during the tour, helping you envision yourself living in the space and determine if it meets your needs and expectations. Step 4. Making an offer. If you decide that the house is the one for you, we'll move on to the next step, writing an offer. I'll assist you in preparing a strong and competitive offer that reflects your price and terms. Once the seller accepts your offer, we move forward to the next phase. Step 5. Inspection period. After the offer is accepted, it's crucial to have a professional inspector evaluate the property for any potential issues. This will give you a comprehensive understanding of the house's condition. If repairs are needed, we'll negotiate with the seller to ensure they are addressed before moving forward. Step 6. Appraisal and underwriting. Once the inspection is complete, an appraiser will determine if the house's value aligns with the agreed-upon price. If the appraisal comes back lower, we'll renegotiate the terms. Conversely, if the appraisal comes back higher, congratulations! You'll have instant equity in your new home. During this time, we'll also ensure that all the necessary documents and information are accurate and in line with the lender's requirements. Step 7. Closing and celebration. After everything is approved, we'll schedule the closing, where you'll sign the final paperwork and officially become a homeowner. It's time to celebrate all your hard work and the exciting milestone you've achieved. That's it, now you are on your way. I hope this step-by-step guide has provided you with a clear understanding of the home buying process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm Tera Liner with CHT Group, and I specialize in helping buyers and sellers in the Tri-Parish area and throughout Louisiana. CHT Group is a leading real estate company in Southeast Louisiana. Our dedicated team of professional agents and support staff is here to guide you every step of the way in finding your dream home and ensuring you get top dollar when it's time to sell. If you know anyone who is looking to buy or sell a home, please help them by sharing this video or pass along my information. Please contact me, Tera Liner at CHT Group 0985-262-7350 or C985-688-5656. Licensed in the state of Louisiana, USA. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you achieve your homeownership goals. Have a great day. CHT Group, your partner in homeownership.